Dawn knocks on the window lattice of an ancient civilization. A new story awakens with the first rays of sunlight upon this land. Today, this place is not only a coordinate of history, but also a convergence point for the future. As we lift our gaze to the heavens, we discover this ancient Eastern nation is resonating as never before with the vast and vibrant global south. Look, on this map of the world, light is being ignited. 10 countries, 10 faces, 10 distinct life paths. Their voices rise from different corners of the globe. Yet now they have chosen the same direction, across mountains, seas and continents. This is no mere a movement, but a bridge of learning, built from curiosity and friendship.
Actually, when I was in Lebanon, I worked on a Belt and Road Initiative project. China is building a opera house and music center in Lebanon. But Lebanon, because we had a war, we don't have very good infrastructure, especially this kind of like cultural infrastructure, like music centers or opera houses. I think it's very important for any country to have this sort of things. And so, I think this project is very important for Lebanon and for China.
And that's why I like to interact with people, to practice my Chinese or my grammar, or just learning here is different from learning in my country.
Because by arriving here in China, we really have the opportunity to learn, to discover the real China, to learn the culture, and to have a chance also to make some Chinese friends.
Before coming to China, I used to see like some videos and also some documentary about China, and like when I came, what I saw, it was really mind-blowing.
I would say that if you want to know the world better and how far the world has come, you must have to come to China.
Yeah, I have been recommending, in fact, even friends who are in my country to come here because the facilities that are being provided here. There are a lot of Saudis here, a lot of Yemenis, we have people from Russia, Germany. These are countries we have in the world that are developed. They are here in China. They will stay them there.
They are not alone. Behind them lies an ever-growing community of youth, a thriving landscape of educational exchange. Whose story will this point of light on the map tell? From 10 countries, 10 cultures, one common choice, China. Why did they come, and what will they take away? Let's trace the points of light on the map following the journeys of students from the global south and listen together their China stories.